And here we are again with another video in the series, which is looking at Google Docs today. Now this one is all about comments, so let me show you, if you are doing your homework or writing some notes and almost wanted to test yourself, it would look like this. So first off, what I've done in the document is written a first question. That's number one. It's a mathematical question. It's 8 times by 6. What is the answer? Now if I wanted to guess at something, I'm not going to guess, you can guess. What are 8 sixes? If you want to know the answer, you just tap on answer and it says view comment. Immediately you can see that the answer is 48, which is great. But notice at the bottom centre it says 1 of 3 because there are 3 comments on this document. So let me just go back a second. And go back here, and it says number 2, and this is a science question, and it's define AOD, and I've written a clue in there. It's to do with trees. Now what I've actually done is I've tried to answer it myself, but I've only got to three words. So I'll show you what happens again. Is you click and view the comment, which I've written in myself, and I know that AOD stands for acute oak. Oh, sorry, I didn't edit that. It's actually, sorry, to do with trees, and that's fine. It's oak decline, and save it. That's brilliant. So then if I scroll backwards, I get the answer to the maths question. Can you see how this is working? Scroll forward, I get acute oak decline, but I've pasted in a Wikipedia quote here, which says that it helps me because it gives me 3.5 lines of the definition. In other words, it's a new disease mainly affecting native oak trees in Britain. I was out the other day and happened to see some Forestry Commission people, and I was chatting to them because they were surveying some affected oak trees. Now, going back to the purpose of this video, of course, is if we see that we can start off by writing, if we're doing our homework or some notes or whatever you wanted it to be. And the way we set that up, for an example, let me just do for speed, what is 9 squared? Another maths question. Then I write in the answer, or just, do what you want there, the word answer. I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to add, and this is how you do it, add a comment, and then write in 9 squared we know is 81, and then we can comment. And what you'll notice is when we go back that we come out of the comments completely, and if you're in a rush, you're going somewhere and you want to test yourself, what is 9 squared? Have a guess at it. Oh, it's 81. Hit the answer. Is that right? Is that right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Brilliant. If you're super happy, you can click resolve. If I do click resolve, then it will just delete it. Marked as resolved. See, it's actually disappeared. So if I go back, must finish this video because we finished. See, it's gone. And that's how comments work. But comments normally work when they you wish to collaborate with other people and build things up. There's no reason, if you're working alone or you're just doing something in a private document, get on with it and absolutely use this so well for your benefit. So I've just highlighted quiz time here, and there are a ton of things on the bottom to enable me to do bold, italic and that sort of stuff. Top right is a big A. Let's click it, and what we get there is a ton of formatting. Please don't spend time in here because you waste your time. If you can keep it as a simple text document, you will get more done. That's what I teach or taught at school. Paragraph there, you can see the same thing. You can go left, right, do a ton of things there, including numbers and bullet points. So that was it. We don't need to do any more. So have a lovely time for the rest of your Sunday.